Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account on the application of eBay. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of eBay. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of eBay. Here, if you find update in this plus sign, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to press bell, like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.